Server, this innovative technology is built around a transformable robot called Ray, which adapts itself to the exact shape of the parked car. The robot automatically adjusts its size based on the vehicle's dimensions, especially its length and wheelbase. This is made possible through advanced 3D scanning technology, which captures precise measurements in just a few seconds. Thanks to this system, each car can be parked with maximum spatial efficiency, optimizing both the position and use of space in the parking area. Delivers 6.5 horsepower, spins at 210 RPM, and uses a twin V-belt drive. But what's all that power for? Wheel polishing, of course. The process is lightning fast, taking less than a minute to bring a truck wheel to a mirror-like finish. Just look at that shine. For shops with a steady stream of customers, the Aussie Rimshine Outback 200 could pay for itself in no time. But is it worth the $589 price tag? That's still up for debate. If you're not keen on lugging your home vacuum cleaner out to the garage, consider getting a garage vac. It's a small unit that stays out of the way, mounted on the wall. Initially, the hose might seem too short at just 2.5 meters, but don't be fooled, it stretches out to 11 meters, allowing you to reach even the furthest corners. The bag can hold up to 3 kilograms of dirt. It comes with attachments for cleaning indoors and a brush for your car's interior. The starting price for this vacuum cleaner is $250. The timeless classic of jacks lives on with this 3-ton model, priced at just $140. It can lift a vehicle up to about 60 centimeters off the ground, and its 114 centimeter handle ensures a smooth, effortless lifting experience. Here's another invention that doesn't claim to be complex or unique. This wheel stand proves useful when you need to wash the tire before storing it for the winter or remove the alloy wheels. The wheel roller is made from a maple bar and 2 rollers mounted on steel plates. To use it, simply place the wheel between the rollers and start spinning it. Even a simple device like this comes in several versions designed for wheels of different diameters. The price of the wheel roller starts at $250. Want to feel like a pro from West Coast Customs? The legendary shop from Pimp My Ride? Then this tool is for you. It lets you install a windshield completely on your own. The makers promise you won't waste time measuring or adjusting the glass. In the video, you can see the entire installation step by step. The key is to stay careful. The vacuum suction cup system protects both the car and the glass from damage. Installation takes very little time, and no special skills are needed. The system works for both windshields and rear windows, and the ergonomic handles let you work comfortably from either side. So, would you give it a try? The Selly smoke detector doesn't just detect leaks, it produces smoke like a chimney while doing it. Compact, user-friendly, and affordable, it hangs neatly under the hood without getting in the way. One press of a button starts the process, making it a no-fuss tool for any mechanic. The price? $138. Just keep in mind, the mineral oil needed to create the smoke is sold separately. And of course, no garage tool lineup would be complete without a tire bead breaker, right? Every driver knows that a simple oil change can sometimes escalate into a major repair. Something always ends up broken, clogged, or dirty. The portable SKA parts washer is designed to tackle that last problem. Its tank holds 60 liters of water-based solvent, and the flexible spout can pump up to 3 liters per minute. The graded bottom prevents small parts from slipping out of your hands and getting lost. What's great about this washer is that it's an all-in-one unit. The reservoir, pump, and sink are all combined, and it costs $253. If the bead booster doesn't quite meet your expectations, you can roll the wheels into a cage like this. But don't worry, it's not a punishment. What you're seeing is an all-in-one system that seats the tire on the rim and inflates it with just the push of a button. This model weighs 366 pounds and is designed to handle truck and bus tires with a maximum diameter of 47 inches. The process is simple. The operator selects the settings, rolls the tire into the cage, and connects it to the inflation system using the special rollers at the bottom. The tire spins easily, giving you quick access to the valve. No more back pain, no more injuries from lifting heavy tires, at least according to the manufacturer. It sounds fantastic. But be prepared to spend big prices. Start at $3,700. The next evolution in work lighting has arrived: compact, powerful, and magnetic. Meet the Flex Light, a hybrid between a desk lamp and a flashlight. This model boasts a 270-degree adjustable head, 500 lumens of brightness, and a 1400 milliamp battery. Its magnets are so strong you can stick it to a tool cabinet without worry. And if it falls, no problem, the rugged body can handle it. The controls are smartly designed. If the light stays on for more than 5 seconds, pressing the button again won't change the mode, it simply turns the light off. You can grab this versatile light for $87. Hikvision's parking robot. At the start of 2017, engineers from the Hikvision Research Institute unveiled an intelligent parking system. This innovation relies on specialized software and fully automated parking robots. These robots can park a car in under 2 minutes completely without human help. Here's how it works. The driver pulls into a designated area with their vehicle, allowing the robot to position itself beneath the car. The driver steps out and receives a unique number using a mobile app or the touch panel at the exit. The robot scans the lot, finds an available space, and parks the car on its own. When it's time to retrieve the vehicle, the driver simply enters the number on the touch panel, and the smart robot returns the car automatically. Pump up your tires or inflate a life preserver with the Slime 470 mini compressor. It mounts on the wall, plugs into an outlet, and leaves the pump jobless. The compressor is equipped with a 6-meter hose, long enough to reach every tire. By the nozzle, there's a pressure gauge to ensure you don't overinflate. The creators joke that their invention is always ready but never in the way. It can handle cars, motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, gardening equipment, trailers, and toys, basically anything inflatable. The compressor costs $65. Tired of plastic cases that slide around on every surface, making it hard to focus on your repairs? Then this tool tray is exactly what you need. The mat is made from a special blend of polymers and silicone, keeping it firmly in place on any surface. It's resistant to chemicals, fireproof, non-magnetic, and it won't build up static electricity, and when it gets dirty, it's easy to clean. Just rinse it with soap and water. The manufacturer offers several versions with different section layouts, with the smallest starting at just $16. The mats come in bright, easy to spot colors, and when you're done using them, they can be folded or rolled up for convenient storage, exactly what the material was designed for. This wrench is perfect for changing wheels and fits the lug nuts on most modern cars. Compared to similar tools, it delivers 70% more leverage. Mechanics will value its compatibility with both metric and SAE fasteners, an important feature, since these two types may look similar but are not interchangeable. The tool is priced at $55 and works with the following lug nuts: metric 17, 19, 21, and 22 millimeters, and SAE 3/4, 13/16, and 7/8 of an inch. Levers have been around since prehistoric times, but tire levers weren't invented until the 21st century. Marketed as a jack, this product is actually just a curved steel plate with a roller that assists in placing the wheel on the hub. Despite its simplicity, it's highly effective. Using the track tire jack saves the driver from straining their back. The plate weighs 3.5 kilograms and is 50 centimeters long. It's built to last, but it'll cost you $150. This slide hammer with a suction cup makes repairing dents on any part of the car body so much easier. It combines simplicity with reliability, allowing you to pull out dents without removing or disassembling body components. Built from durable tool steel, it measures 23.4 inches in length. The sliding weight delivers the pulling force, while the 5.9-inch vacuum suction cup ensures the paint remains undamaged. A quick disconnect adapter is included, letting you hook it up to any compressed air source, like a shop compressor. The system is designed for convenience, even allowing comfortable use while wearing gloves. The manufacturer guarantees that this tool will save you both time and money. This system is incredibly lightweight, so a single person can set it up without any hassle, yet it can support up to 2,250 kilograms and lift a vehicle by 44 centimeters. Its low-profile design, just 75 millimeters, lets it slide easily under sports cars. The control unit comes with a long cable for added convenience. Naturally, these features come at a price, with the system retailing for $2,176. Folding lug wrenches have been around for about a dozen years and are made in many countries. However, the American Stow-Go wrench from the well-known manufacturer Ken Tool stands out from the rest. First, it doesn't come apart but folds up like a tripod. Second, the sliding arms turn the wrench from a cross shape into a T shape. Its sockets fit nuts ranging from 17 to 21 millimeters. When folded, the wrench fits into a narrow pouch. You might want to keep it at hand. You never know when you might get a chance to work as an F1 mechanic. This car lift was designed specifically for homeowners with the option of underground parking in their basement. The lift is built with multiple levels, allowing you to park several cars at the same time. It operates just like other similar systems. You simply drive the car onto the platform, and then it smoothly lowers into the ground. This jack comes equipped with a rapid pump system featuring 2 pumps for quicker lifting. Its extra-wide steel rollers provide excellent stability while in use. To make things even easier, these custom-built ramps are the perfect match for the jack, letting the creator effortlessly raise the car by up to 23 centimeters with no trouble at all. Sit, lie down, move forward, or roll back. No, we're not describing a pool lounger but the ergo chair work seat. Designed specifically for mechanics and car enthusiasts, this chair is height adjustable and can even convert into a creeper. At its lowest, the seat is just 12 centimeters off the ground, and at its highest, it's 53 centimeters. 3 large drawers keep nuts and washers from getting lost in the inspection pit, while a strong magnet helps keep the adjustable wrench within reach. No more searching on the floor. The chair can support up to 159 kilograms, with prices starting at $625. Smart parking solution. This automated parking robot is a compact vertical system. This invention can completely solve the problem of limited parking spaces. Moreover, the robot is fully safe for independent use. To park indoors, simply drive your car onto a special platform. The system then lifts the vehicle to the required level using a transport lift. A screen outside displays the exact number of your parking space. And when it's time to leave, just enter that number on the screen, and the lift will bring your car back down to you. $105 Auto is the ultimate all-in-one tool for tire and wheel changes. While other mechanics haul bulky toolkits, Auto owners work effortlessly. Just switch attachments, and it converts from a 100 Newton-meter impact wrench to a pump delivering 35 liters per minute impressive performance. It even boosts efficiency by 50%. No battery worries either. Auto plugs right into your car's cigarette lighter, so there's zero risk of battery wear. The Carbench UL 300 hydraulic car lift is a fantastic option for a garage or small workshop, particularly when there isn't enough space for a fixed lift. When folded, it's only 10 centimeters tall, but when fully extended, it raises the car to a standing height. The lift offers over 10 settings and can accommodate any passenger car, with the width of the restraining bar adjusting to fit the vehicle's dimensions. It's controlled with a remote, and specific points can be fine-tuned by simply tightening bolts. The UL 300 looks very reliable. Loading a car onto a tow truck can be tough, and that's where Collins carrier dollies shine. They work even on gravel and are ideal for hauling low-clearance sports cars. Weighing just 34 kilograms per pair, they can handle up to 1.8 tons combined. They might not look flashy, but they make life a whole lot easier for tow truck operators who can now move tricky vehicles on their own. That level of convenience easily justifies the $2,000 price tag for a pair. The iRota Solder Pro multifunctional soldering iron opens up new possibilities for wiring and circuit board enthusiasts. Its slim tip lets you work on tough connections in hard-to-reach spots. Great flame control ensures clean results too. There's a safety switch next to the start button. Don't skip using it to avoid accidents. The soldering iron is refilled with butane through a valve in the handle. If needed, you can release the gas by pressing the valve with something sharp. The set comes with 10 different tips for various tasks. The iRota Solder Pro is available on Amazon for $37. Priced at $319, this tool stands out not only for its compact, straightforward design, but also for its impressive versatility. It can handle everything from ATVs to light aircraft with minimal effort, lowering the risk of accidentally damaging tires or rims. It works with both tubed and tubeless tires and requires no batteries, fuel, or solar power. Just a pair of hands gets the job done. This folding silicone tray is a handy way to store everything from pins to bolts. It has magnets in its base to keep both the tray and its contents in place, even on uneven surfaces like a car hood. The tray is 115 millimeters wide and long, and the whole thing weighs about 100 grams. The magnetic foldable parts tray is perfect for technicians, electricians, and anyone who likes to work on their own car. It prevents washers and nuts from rolling away and getting lost in the garage. The RJS 3-ton jack stands pair perfectly with a car jack, supporting up to 2.7 tons. Need more capacity? The RJS 6-ton version handles 5.4 tons with 2 stands. Both feature a smart ratchet system that locks firmly and only releases with a deliberate, sharp motion. These stands aren't just for car maintenance. They're also recommended for agricultural equipment, but they work just as well in repair shops or home garages. A pair of RJS 3-ton stands costs $70, while the heavy-duty RJS 6-ton set goes for $130. When a nut is out of reach, you might wonder how to extend your wrench. Sure, welding a long rod to it could work, but that would ruin your tool. Fortunately, there's a better solution, a special tool known as a spanner wrench extender. It attaches to the body of the wrench, becoming its new handle. The tool is 38 centimeters long. Thanks to physics, the longer the leverage, the less force you need. The steel jaw accommodates wrenches of various sizes and types, even adjustable ones. The tool is priced at $40. No one around to pump the brake pedal? No problem, you can handle it solo with this vacuum pump from Matco Tools. Priced at just $32, it's a smart investment. And it's not limited to brake fluid. You can also use it for engine oil, gear and transmission fluids, and even power steering fluid. The included 2-meter hose is plenty for the job, and a built-in shut-off valve keeps leaks in check. With the simple product code AS808, this kit is an absolute steal. How can you check your brake fluid? Drive to the station and pay for extra services. There's a simpler and cheaper way. The brake fluid tester is a small device that runs on an AA battery and measures the amount of water in the brake fluid. If it's less than 1.5%, the light turns green and you're good to go. Yellow means you should get it checked in 6 months, and red means your car needs service right away. The tester works like a dipstick. Just dip the tip into the tank and the light will come on instantly. The price is $6. Have you ever dreamed of shaping a simple lump of clay into a work of art that not only brings joy, but can even earn you money? Pottery is making a big comeback. And even Hollywood stars like Brad Pitt and Seth Rogen are taking time to sit at the wheel. And if their acting careers ever slow down, they could still make a living with the help of a tool like this advanced pottery wheel. Priced at just $162, it's packed with features perfect for both beginners and experienced potters. The rotation direction can be reversed with ease, and the smart LCD touchscreen allows you to switch quickly between manual control and foot pedal speed control. The set also includes 8 steel and 8 wooden tools to shape and sculpt your creations. What you make and who you sell it to is limited only by your imagination. From eco-friendly tableware for cafes to corporate gifts, handmade ceramics are loved almost everywhere. Last year, the global carpet and rug market generated more than $55 billion. And that's not the limit. Experts predict it will continue to grow by nearly 10% every year through 2029. With that in mind, starting a custom rug workshop right in your garage sounds like a very smart move. You can get started with this tufting gun. It drives yarn through the rug backing, creating up to 40 stitches per second. Each stitch forms a tuft of a fixed height, which becomes the rug's soft pile when completed. The price of the gun is $158. Rugs have remained popular for decades. So with consistent effort, your investment in this gun and other tools could not only pay for itself, it could even become a steady source of income. Next up are 2 machines perfect for anyone dreaming of making money with bubble tea. The classic recipe calls for tea, milk, and those chewy tapioca pearls. Tea and milk are simple, but making the pearls can be tricky. That's where this machine from Once Join comes in. Priced at just $200, it can produce up to 1 kilogram of tapioca pearls per hour, enough for 40 servings of bubble tea. And it's not just for tapioca, it works wonderfully for making other treats like taro balls as well. The bead seater you're looking at on the screen is the most powerful model in the entire lineup made by this American company. Thanks to its jet assist barrel technology, it can mount almost any tire, even large ones, for commercial and agricultural machines like tractors and harvesters. This bead seater holds 10 gallons and weighs about 28 pounds. Its tank is crafted from aluminum with a special inner coating to protect it from rust over time. Engineers emphasize that the booster takes full advantage of the Venturi effect, pulling in extra air for a faster, more powerful blast. The long handle offers an easy, secure grip, and the design proved so effective that its creators even filed several patents for it. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.